Can you say hello to the friends?
Hello, friends.
Welcome to
Wait. Hello, friends, and hello, girl, and hello, girl and boy.
Yes. Today we're gonna do one more experiment. This is the caliper or the worm experiment, where Ethan is gonna drop a little bit of water, and the caliper will move. It will wrinkle and wingle and jiggle around the plate.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna do a caliper or worm that will come alive. It's like a water experiment. Are you ready, Ethan?
Yes.
And then what you'll need is a paper towel, some markers, and you could have a dropper, but we're gonna use this squirt bottle because we don't have a dropper. And where's the paintbrush? The paintbrush. And you're gonna use the paintbrush to roll.
You see it?
And we're gonna use the paintbrush that Ethan is holding to roll and twist the paper towel. We're gonna make it into a worm. Color a little bit those papers. So Ethan is coloring the paper towel. After he painted, we're gonna roll it in the paintbrush. We're gonna use the paintbrush to roll it and twist it around the paintbrush. After the child is finished painting the paper towel, you're gonna roll it. You're gonna roll it and twist it around any kind of stick, or I'm using the paintbrush.
Yes.
And you're gonna roll it.
Yes.
Roll the worm, and then you're gonna.
Yes.
And then you're gonna squeeze like this, so it can make into a worm. You're gonna squeeze it.
No, it's not. No, don't make not a worm. There's a cat.
And then the end result is gonna be like this. The end result. After you finish, you're gonna have this as a result. And then you could ask the child to paint one color, or you could do it like a different colors. If you want to do only one color on each worm, so they could learn the color when you put the water. And this is the caliper or worm water experiment. Okay, on the and the worm or calipers.
I mean so well. I can put it.
Okay, pour the water.
Maybe the worm is going to grow up to bigger.
It's gonna wrinkle and wingle. It's gonna jingle and wrinkle and wiggle.
Yes. Just like we sing the old lady.
Yes.
Okay,
squirt the water very slowly,
it's
okay?
It's going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, it's gonna move around. Okay, put it very slowly, okay? It's moving. It's moving around. You see? It's wrinkling and jiggling and wiggling around. Yes.
It's bigger.
Let's see the
Other
worm move around, or the caliper.
Wow, it's moving.
You see how it's growing and it's wiggling around?
I see it.
Yeah?
Oh man, this is big.
Look how it's growing. It's wriggling and wiggling around. Look at that. It's wiggling around because it's expanding when you pour water. Look! Oh!
This one grows
How
too.
cool.
No, the other one. This one.
Okay.
Be a rainbow.
Yeah. It's going to be a rainbow?
It's actually moving.
Look at all the colors. I see purple and orange and blue and pink and and green.
Wait. Got for this one.
Okay. Look how cool! It is expanding. Yeah, it's wiggling and moving, the worm. It could be a worm or a caterpillar. Look at that, how cool.
Can you put some more?
How cool. Do you like the activity?
Yes.
Yes?
It's growing.
We got this activity idea from this place right here. 7 days of play, and this is the website. I love this site because it has a lot of great activities for kids. This site is good for moms and for parents and for teachers too. Say to the friends, thank you for watching.
Wow, this is cool. Those worms, they are big now.
Yeah, friends, thank you for watching.
Hey, friends, we got to see the worm first.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, they're so huge. They are grungy.
Yeah, it's grungy.
They're similar with something else.
Minhoca, can you say minhoca?
Minhoca.
Yeah, grande. A grande minhoca. Okay, say this. Thank you for watching.
Cool.
Okay, thank you for watching, friends. And please like and share and subscribe to the channel for more great activity, educational activity.
And thank you for letting the worms grow bigger. Wow.
Hello, friends. We're gonna do a caterpillar or worm experiment activity where we're gonna
wait. The worm's going to grow up to a big worm.
Yeah, it's gonna wrinkle and wiggle. We're gonna need some paper towel and markers, and we're gonna color different designs. You could make one color for the child to know the colors, or you could do it like different colors. And then we're gonna get a plate or a container and fill it, and we're gonna get a plastic bottle or a dropper, and we're gonna do this worm or caterpillar. Ethan is doing all. What color are you doing, Ethan?
I'm doing orange.
You're doing orange? It's gonna be all orange? Okay.
And you want everything all this here of Daddy T-Rex and the baby T-Rex.
So we're gonna grab the paper towel, and we're gonna get a stick, a little thin stick, and we're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll this paper towel that we drew on the paper with different designs with a marker, and we're gonna roll it like this.
And you got two ones.
Yeah, we're gonna roll it,
Baby dinosaur.
and then we're gonna squeeze it to make the worm or the caterpillar.
No, that's a worm.
Yeah. And then we're gonna take it off like this, and then that's gonna be the caterpillar for our wrinkle and wiggle caterpillar. And this is the one that Ethan designed. See, this is the one that Ethan did. He did orange one. Okay, squeeze that one together. Squeeze it. Put it together like this. Yes. Yay, Ethan is squeezing that one to make the worm or the caterpillar. Good job. Can you put in the plates?
Yes.
So Ethan is gonna put the worms and the plates.
And then it's going to start to grow to a big caterpillar.
Yes. After you squeeze the caterpillar, you're gonna draw two eyes with a black marker. So you're gonna draw two eyes on the worm or caterpillar, whatever you wanna call it. You're gonna draw two dots, two black dots for the eyes for the worm or caterpillar. Okay, now Ethan is gonna squeeze the bottle, and we're gonna see the worm jingle and wiggle around. But it's slowly, okay? On each one. Do one at a time.
That's cool.
Look at that. It's growing. It's moving. It's jiggling and wiggling and wobbling around. Okay, put in the next one. Look.
It's orange.
Oh yes, it's orange. Okay, let's see the next one.
Dripping.
Squeeze. Look how it's moving.
It's
That
purple.
worm is growing.
It's purple. Look,
Yeah.
look, it's dripping.
Yeah, you saw how it moved?
Yes.
It's jingle and wiggle and wobble.
Now next.
The next one.
Yes, the rainbow. The rainbow.
Oh yes, you saw how it grew and moved? The moving caterpillar worm.
It's getting to the next.
Yes, let's see. Look how it's moving.
Oh man.
Oh, what color is that one?
Look, you cannot see.
Yeah, let's see it move. It's jiggle and wiggle. Do the next one.
I want.
Let's see. Look how cool. You see how it's expanding? It's moving around, wiggle and jiggle. Yay! Let's do the next one. What color is that one? Put in the next one. Let's see it. It's moving. Okay, put in the next one. You saw?
No, I just saw.
Yeah, it expanded. It jingle and wiggle. Look how it's moving. The worm is moving.
Going to the next
It's
one.
the worm or caterpillar experiment. Yes. Okay, let's do the next one. What color is that one?
Doing each other.
Yeah, what color is that one? That one is purple? What color is that one that you just did? That one. What color is that one?
I did other orange and the other orange.
And what color is this one?
It's green.
Yes. Let's do the blue one. Let's see. Look how it's wiggling and jiggling and wriggling. It's moving around. Yay! Did you like the activity, Ethan? Yeah? We learned the colors and we did a science experiment and we saw how the worm moves and around. What a great activity. Ethan, say to the friends to like and share and subscribe.
I can see it. Wow.
You gonna see it?
Wow. Why is it big?
Yeah, look how it got big. It expanded with the water.
Yellow, orange, other orange, purple, rainbow, red, green, blue.
Can you count how many worms we have in the plate?
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, yay!
Wait. 8. 1, 2, 3,
8.
That's 8.
Yes.
This
So we worked the colors and the numbers, and we did eye coordination and hand coordination. This is a great activity for the children, for the kids, because it works the eye and the hand coordination, and we're doing the colors and the counting. And it's a science experiment. It's a STEM activity. This is great for the parents that are at home, and great activity for the teachers.